Alright, what's going on? This is D&D's Vapes, and I am showing you guys something. This is a 3 month old, 5 month, no, actually no, 4 month old Kangertech Subox Mini. The reason why I got stickers, now this part of the body it's fine, it's black. Actually no, it's not, that's right, the paint's peeling off on this part too, Jesus Christ. So the paint's peeling off on the Kangertech everywhere. It's a horrible paint job. I put stickers on it to cover the blotchy spots, but I started peeling off the stickers so I could clean it and redo it. I'm gonna buy some paint and stuff. I'm gonna gut it and paint the frame again and then redo it the right way. So I went to vape. Nothing. Now it's not off because when you hit the Kangertech, it'll say off or whatever. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not turning on. I have a battery in there, a red one. Watch this. It's been doing this since I bought it. I'm gonna pop the case off. Let me see, right here. Bam. Just by taking the cover off, it turned on. Kind of weird, huh? What's up with that, Kangertech? Why is it doing that? You need to tell me, man. What kind of flaw is in here that you're not doing a recall on because you don't want people to realize that your Kangertech sucks? There's something wrong with this, and it does it. It won't turn on at times. There it goes. It doesn't work with my cover on, dude. I have to vape with it off. I can't have a cover on my Kangertech. But when I take it off, she vapes fine. So yeah. Oh, she's staying on now. About time. Getting worried there. You gotta mess with it once in a while. Yeah, she's staying on good. So yeah, you saw that, man? I wasn't messing around. I wasn't lying. Kangertech is screwed up. Their boxes are weird. This one just kind of shuts off whenever it wants. Turns on whenever it wants. Another cool thing is cotton. This cotton I made from this. I got 400 cotton ball bag from Walmart. 100% pure cotton is what you want with no additives or nothing in it. Boil it in boiling water. Dry it out. Rinse it out. Let it cool off, then do it. Don't rinse it with any cold water or nothing because you don't want the chlorine and stuff from that water. When you dry it out, when you rinse it out, the water, you want to open up your cotton balls. They'll unwrap just like this, and it'll look just like cotton bacon. They all unwrap. They're all nice like this. That's one of the good ones. And you could freaking throw it in the dryer after you open them up and make sure they're completely dry. When they're completely dry, take them out, put them in a sterile bag, and keep them for vaping, man. And let me tell you something. This cotton right here I believe this cotton right here, that's from a cotton ball, is way better than the vaping cotton. Um, once you wash it with hot water, boiling water to make sure it's sterile, leave it in for about 5 minutes boiling. Mix it around nice and easy. You don't want to knot it all up. You take it out, you let it cool off naturally, just let it cool off. When it's cool off, squish all the water out. Throw it in the dryer. After you open them up, open this all one by one. It's gonna take a while, but you know, you could do small batches at a time and dry them, and then just wait until you run out and do it again. But I did about almost close to half a bag. I unwrapped every single one. I was getting tired too. Threw them all in the dryer. Pop on the dryer for whatever. I went back, I checked them. Man, I was like, holy shit. Dude, these things were so fluffy. I had a big fluff ball like in my dryer, because when I took them out as cotton balls, they weren't that big either, because the cotton balls were like this. They were wrapped up nice, man, and you can't really tell how much cotton you really have because of the way they ball it up. And this feels like, man, this cotton ball feels kind of, you know, it doesn't feel like a cotton ball. It feels really heavy, really thick. And what happened is, I don't know, through that process of being washed and being thrown in the dryer, it's like really fluffy and really like absorbent. I did a build. I'll leave this right here for now. I did a build, not a build, but I did a rewick on this. This is the cotton. I'm using it right here. The juice, yeah, it's a little brown right there. I have a seed right there. I wicked this verily anything like, dude, the wicking is awesome. The amount of juice that gets soaked up at that cotton is, I'm telling you, it could really, it works great, dude. It works really good. Like, I'm really impressed and recommend you guys go to Walmart. Seriously, go to Walmart and buy a 400 count bag of this, of White Cloud cotton balls, jumbo size, and it's for homes, crafts, cosmetics, babies, you know, nail polish and oils, sensitive skins. I mean, this is basically used for anything. For medical. So, buy it, try it, go through the if you have any questions when you buy it, just when you're doing it, let me know. I'll teach you guys how to do it. I'll talk you through the process. And another thing is, you could buy this stuff too. I'm gonna make a video on how to use this. This is cotton as well, and it's pure cotton. And I'll show you how to use this. This was only $2 something. Okay, guys, this was cheap as well, and this is good for your ceramic coils and other coils too that I'll show you how to use this with to build. I'll make a video tomorrow on that, and then I'll post it so you guys can really see how I use this cotton and that cotton that I showed you guys to wick my coils with and to rewick my ceramics and stuff like that. So you gotta try this, because this cotton is very absorbent. Now, let me see something. I got a few minutes. I could do it real quick. This stuff is good. I made this e-juice. Coconut candy, almond joy, white chocolate, coconut candy, uh, sweetener. And she's really not even juiced up. I was already vaping on her, trying to get her dry to put a different juice. And I'm still vaping it. Starting to dry up. Yep, she's starting to dry up. Not much. I mean, I could taste the juice and stuff, so I know there's still juice in there. But you can start tasting the cotton too when she starts drying up. Alright, so she's still somewhat moist, not too moist. She's still got a little moisture. It's just hard to get it really out there. I will have to sit and wait a minute, let her soak up some more juice, but there's really nothing left. So we're gonna grab a juice. And man, that was good juice. We're gonna grab donuts. Now I'm gonna show you how much juice I get out of this. I mean, in this. This is a big dropper. Alright, this is a dropper from a 60 ml bottle, not a 30. Alright, so we're gonna dump that. Let it there we go. Let's see. That's all soaking in cotton. Okay. Oops, I almost knocked that over. So one whole dropper of a 60 ml bottle. A whole dropper of the 60 ml bottle. Just about the whole thing. It was basically all the way to the top. Now I'm just looking to see if I got room to hold a little bit more. I mean, the cottons are really saturated. You can see they're just all soaking wet. So I think she's good right now. We're gonna put this on her and vape and see how much vape we can get out of this cotton now. Okay. I don't want to get a headache from vaping too much. No nicotine, but still, you know, I'm constantly vaping something that's not oxygen. There's really no harm in doing this, but still, it's like you still get a layer of e-juice that gets all over everything when you smoke it. So that's how much e-juice gets in your lungs too. Gotta give your body some time to get it out. And that's one thing about the e-juice is it's the type of product it is. It goes into your body. It's a food product basically. Clouds, bitch. I got a nice build that I did on my other RDA, and it's around here somewhere. It's right here. Oh yeah, she's nice and juicy. The build I have on there is sick. The cotton, I mean, it just holds tons of juice. And I don't end up juicing it up for a while. It'll stay like that. Same thing as this. I could go for a while like this. I still haven't juiced it up. Look at that. She is still saturated. It looks like I just literally juiced her. But she's still saturated. Nice. That whole this cotton literally is amazing. Need some air. I don't want to pause it because I don't want you thinking I'm about to run out of time. She's still saturated, guys. It's gonna go for a while like this. I'm actually gonna stop this video, start another one all over. I'm gonna do the whole video and stay on one juice cotton. Peace out, guys. God bless. And remember, this is D&D Vapes. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys. Just saying, you know, if you want to give me a thumbs up, it'd be nice. It helps me out. It helps me out. And what helps me out helps you out, because what helps me out keeps me here longer. And I could do more. So, peace out. God bless. Remember, don't do this. Do this. And I'm out.